On the left-hand side, go to text, click add a text box, and I'm going to design a really simple logo here. So I'm just going to combine a few letters together. I want to change the font of this to something different. I like using this particular font. I'll copy that. Place this here. And then copy another one of these letters. I want to change the background of this to a different color. I really like this gradient color here. So I'm going to change the text color and maybe add some effects to it. So perhaps an outline. And I'm going to copy this style and apply it to the rest of my letters. Actually, I kind of like this glitch effect better. So let me go ahead and just apply that to the rest of my letters here to see what it looks like. Actually looks pretty neat here. And I can come over to elements, maybe add some sort of blob. Actually, it's called a paint stroke that I'm looking to add here. So perhaps something like this, or maybe even this here. I'm just going to group these together first. Move this backward a bit. So a lot of this just, it's your own preference, what you want it to be. I'm just showing you how you can easily create a logo for yourself. And so once you're done, you can export this or even share it with someone. If I download it, it'll come out as a PNG, but you can also change it to a different file type if you wish. So this is for a YouTube logo. As you can see, if you go back into the Canva homepage and just create a logo, or in the search bar type in logo, you can find this exact sort of design. And if you're also having trouble with getting ideas for your own logo, you can grab some inspiration from templates or even ask Canva itself to see what type of logo it can help you design. So this is a really quick logo that I just made, and hopefully you can create your own logos now based on uh, your own preference and your own ideas. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.